On this video, we are going to be looking at how we can set up our ad practically and make use of the pixel that will activated, right? If you watch the previous video, you must have gotten insight about this. All right, so this is our ads manager right now. Everything we need for the ads already in place. What we need to do is just, as usual, hit the create button before you hit the ground running, right? And you can see our objectives here varies, and we want to use sales objective because all we want is conversions. So I'll use sales objective. If it is lead generation you want to run, you can use this lead. But I want sales, so I'm going to click on sales objective. I'll click on continue. All right, I'm going to use manual sales campaign. I'll click on continue. You are not new to this, right? So I may not necessarily explain everything. I just want to explain how you can pick your objective and you'll be able to optimize to suit uh, the purchase, right? So these are campaign, and I'm going to tag it here. I'm going to tag it how I want. Massage, 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 gun sales, right? So this is it. I'll click on next. I'll click on next. Yes, I'm directing people to a website, right? I'm directing people to a website. Wow, this pixel is not showing up here. This pixel is not showing up here. Do we have two ad account here? Let me confirm if we have two ad account here. Just one ad account. All right, so let's go back. Let's go back. I'll go back into the ads manager, go back into the ad set. So I'll click on this activate, click on this edit. Then I'll go back to this place. Since the pixel is not showing up, I may have to set it up again, right? So I'll click on create pixel. I already did this. What's happening? What is happening? Okay, let's set up a new ad account to see, since it is trying to give us issue. All right, let me just proceed. So here, the pixel that I've created will actually show here, but in case if it doesn't show and you encounter this same issue here, then you can just create. Let's see if it's going to work. Let me check something first. Let's go to autos. We'll go to business settings. All right, so okay, this person is having full control. Then we'll go to assets. Let's go to this pixel. All right, so let's assign people. So let's click on this assign and assign that account. Let's see if it will work this way. Assign the account, give full control, assign. All right, we've been able to assign this. So let's see if we can still assign add account. Okay, there is no other account to assign. Let's go if we have add account here. There's no ad account because we're using the default ad account. That's why this is not working. So let me switch back to this. All right, so let's try to check it now. So let me still click on create again. Let's see if this is going to appear. So on this, I'm going to click on leads. Let me see. I just want to test something, not that you must do what I'm doing. Just want to ensure that we do the setup before we proceed. So on the next option, I'm going to select the pixel. I'm going to select the pixel. Okay, so I'll select approve, agree. It's still loading. Let's see. But my network is actually intact. Why is it taking time to reload? All right, so I'll change it to, let me view the terms and approve it. Okay, I've accepted it. So no point. So here I'm going to change it to website. When you change it to website, then I'll come down to where there is pixel. Pixel is not showing up. Why? I need to find a way to resolve this, or else whatever it is we are doing may not work. Whatever we are doing may not work. Okay, let me see. Let me click on create pixel here. Create pixel. I'll give it name smart. Let me click on create. Let's see if it will create. Okay, it's working. Do we have a website here? This is our website. This is our website. This is our website. But I'm using a thank you page. So I'll click on next. Write code now. Write the code now and take your return to creating your write code later. Okay, I'll just click on write code now. Let's see. Pixel only. I'll click on next. I'll install manually. This is almost the same thing we did last time. But since this is taking on this way, let's see if this will work for us. The same pixel setup we did last time. So I'll copy this, go to where we had what's it called? Header and footer. Open your header and footer, paste it, come down, click on save changes. All right, so let's visit the page. Let's visit the page. This is the page. All right, so let's go back. So let's go back to our event and click continue. Turn on advanced matching, turn everything on here. Click on continue. Proceed to open, go to Pixel. Go to Pixel. It's not going. All right, so come down to data sources. Let's see if the pixels are working. There's any activity here. So let's click on open event setup and see. Let's set the event here. So copy the thank you page. Copy the thank you page. Come to this event here, paste it. Visit the site again. So we are going to track this URL. That's what we want to track as purchase. Alright, so click on confirm. We have successfully tracked this using that using the pixel on this very account. So you can see. So let's see, let's refresh it after visiting here. Let's refresh it if there is any history here. Why are you taking time? Do we have any activity here? Yeah, purchase activity is active now. So let's go back to our account now and refresh it. Let's see if it's going to show the pixel. All right, the pixel is showing right now. It's showing now. It's showing now. So if it is for lead generation ad, you select your website, then select the pixel you want to use. You can see this is a pixel showing up now. Right, this is a pixel now. So just select it, select the, if it's for lead generation, just select lead. Right, but since what we are doing is not lead generation, is conversion ad, I will have to go and change it back to conversion ad, sales ad. So I'll either change it here, right? I'll either change it here or go back to start the campaign afresh by clicking on what? Create. By clicking on create. So I'm going to click on this now. Then go into it by clicking edit. Go to the next page. On the next page, I'm going to click on, you can see this is the pixel. So allow this to be maximize number of conversions, then change this to purchase. I'm going to change it to purchase. That's what I optimize for. So this ad is for purchase. So whoever that place an order is actually purchasing my product. So I'm going to test the ad with 1,000 naira per day. Then I want the ad to start running tomorrow morning as early as 4 or 5 a.m. As early as 5 a.m. Right. So that's how to go about the setup. So it's do your location, add your other informations, and you are good to go. So the location, I want to change the location to, I want to change it from Nigeria to Ghana. I'll pick Ghana as a country. Then I'll go down. I'm going to switch to original options. Is original audience. Then I'll come down to, I'll allow this age bracket, allow the gender, I'll allow everything here. I'm not going to do anything there. I'll allow manual placement. I'll allow advantage placement, even though I may want to go for manual placement, but I'm going to be testing different ads. So let's see the one that will give us what we want. So this is where you select the page you want to run ads on. Select the page. Then here you come down to this place. As usual, you insert the ad content. So you insert the ad content. I'm going to insert the image, upload the image. I already work. Is it my network or my data? Oh, it's working now. I'm coming, just 1 minute. All right. So I'll just select the ad media, the image I want to use. The image I want to use. So this image I want to use. I'll click on next. I don't want anything to optimize. Click on next. I'll remove all optimization. First, I'll activate it and deactivate it because I don't want any form of optimization. It's all deactivated. So I'll come to this place and click on done. So this is the image creative I want to use. Then the next thing is the write-up. So I already have my copy in place. I'll just copy it. I'll copy it. Copy text. Go back. Paste it here. Right. So that's what I have there. Then my call to action, I'll put it here. My list is going to be remove muzzle pains. So I'll come down to this place where I'll allow this learn more as my call to action or order now. So either learn more or order now. So I'm going to use order now. Then I'll come down to this place. Then this is a destination. So this is a page I want them to visit. So this is not the page I optimize. That's the page I am running my ads to, and this is a page. So this is where they are going to place order. And I am only using the other thank you page to track purchase. So anybody that goes to the thank you page is the person that successfully placed order. So you cannot get to the thank you page except you must have placed an order. So this is the destination I want to first send them to. Then this is the website link I want on the site to display on the site. So this is it, right? So the next thing now is just to click on the publish button and the ad is set to start flying, right? So I'll just click on publish button. Once they are start running, it will start delivering and I'm going to be seeing result on my dashboard, or if it's not delivering, I'm going to understand based on the metrics that we'll be discussing on the next video.